Hi guys, it's me, Kris Cook, your real estate resource with Rovithis Realty. Are you looking for privacy? Well, here I have it at my new listing at 112 Goss Hill Road in Huntington. Come take a look. This home features 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. The amazing partially finished basement with a custom built bar even comes with the kegerator. Private as private could be with 3.5 acres. So what'd you think? If you have any questions on this listing or any other listing, please call me at the number below. At Rovithis Realty, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and I want to work with you.